Today we're playing airplane war. Cause yeah, I don't know why. So yeah, let's go. So let's go. Wait, why do we have the same? Bro, how do I get in? Come on, bro. Let's go. Yes, queen. Yeah, we need more players. We need more. Bro, we got so many people. Yes. You know what? Yes. Okay, so one last flight. Yeah, I didn't play other. Ooh, I got a badge. Without see any badge with this. Yeah. Oh, it's our dad. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bacon. What? What? Don't tell me you forgot. Today's the big day. Yes! Let's go! Let me remind you. We're flying to the Rojas. Get down here. Yes? Bro, how do we get down? Whoever doesn't have the bed. Oh no, man. Bro, same here. What are they going to do? And my clothes are. Yeah. Okay. Then we start packing. Bro, I really want these shades. Bro. Oh no. We got 4 or 5 seconds. So this is gonna be bad though. There's nothing to find. There's nothing else to find anyway. Oh no, 40 seconds left, 30. Whoa. Sorry guys. Airplane. No, I can't play. Yo, man. Okay, what else? What else do we need? Well, I got the admiral. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep. No one else found it, only these people. Find this item. Okay, let's go. It's right here, you know. No. Good, I can grab it. Why we can't run? Thank God. What else do we need just other stuff? Yeah, my family once gone to Boracay and they had to pack so many things though. Time to find the matching. No, I don't. No. Oh, I gotta go to the blue bedroom. No, 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 no. Phew. Burgers are almost ready. Why is there one molten one? Let's go to the backyard. Yep, Kika, you're right. Wait, did we just teleport? Yes, let's go. So, we already just got to our tables, bro. Oh yeah, and baggage. We can never forget that. Oh, and yeah. We have a swimming pool. Don't fall in there. What are you doing on there? No! Oh. Yeah, I don't like it. Who wants a burger? Yep. It's me in there. I'm so hungry. Same here, bro. Sit on the table. I certainly think that... Bro, we're already on the picnic table. Why is there a green molten? That's good. I don't have the molten green one. Bro, that was so yummy. You forget that there's this burger thing, the green one. What else should we do, bro? Hello, we have Luxia steak noodles. Okay, what is it? What's the news? Oh, it's the radio. Huh? This is the radio. Yay! Oh, yes, girl. Whoa, can you imagine? Sitting a plane? Yep. However, the president said in Congress, the suspect somehow disappeared. The police warned everyone in Roboxia to be careful and report anything that could be useful for the case. How could someone possibly escape from something like that? Oh yeah, everyone's going to the door already. Oh my, look at the time. Where's our mom doing? We're running late to our flight. There's no way we can make it in time. Unless, follow me. Where's that? I have a bad feeling about this. Yep, same here. Same room? Wait, we can't open the garage? Oh man. Come on, y'all. I have a bad feeling about this. Same. The garage? Yep, we got into the car. Wait for it. Okay. I present you your very own small queen. Yes! Let's go! Whee! We're going to fly the airport to catch another plane this morning. It's also more fun than walking. True facts, bro. They're straight up facts. Now we can't lose more time. Find your plane and grab a seat. Bro, we already did. Yep, bro. I thought it was gonna be a car. Once that you know what? This music though, man. Yes. Wait! We don't even know how to fly these. Those are bad though. Where's the badges? We will have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles. Obstacles? Yep. Oh, good. We got. Oh my. Bro, we don't even know how to fly these. Let's go! Okay. Okay, so let me guess. We can walk now? Not everyone. Yeah, 3 people. Airport is the around. I don't hate about it. First there was many people, now they left. Oh wait. Why is that so slow? Oh man. Let's cross the street. Hey, careful with the truck. Wait, did I just see a Beef City? Did I just see a Beef City truck? Oh wait, this is the same with the lobby. It's looking for Roham as his meeting in 5 minutes. Oh no. That's our flight. No. No! I already have my tick. Get yours before the thing. Remain sneaks up without this. Okay, but how am I supposed to get tickets? I need my ticket. Guys, wait for me. No more wait. Ooh, yes. Oh wait, we can't go through. Why is the music so tense though? Hello, you must be the last passenger flying to Bahamas. Yep. Don't worry, you were just in town. Good. All you need to do now is go through the metal detector, and you are good to go. Oh! Can't go through. Why? What? I don't have anything on me. Other than this weapon. Whoa! Barrier? Let's go! It's not right. Please see the minutes. Oh no. I don't like how that sounds. Yep. I agree with myself. Oh no! I want to have all of us. Oh no! I don't like this. Why? Is there a problem, officers? What if you were caught playing in the restricted area? You are in big trouble. Sorry, what? Wait here until we get all the paperwork. I don't like this. I knew it was a bad idea. Now we are totally using the flag. There it goes. It's starting to take off. What's that red thing in the air still? Oh no, I'm not liking this. This one, my plan is finally complete. What plan? Oh no, I don't like this one. No, I ain't enjoying it. Y'all will soon be property of the undeads. What? No! Person is angry. But now I can take over the world by myself. Bro, what? Don't worry, you will be part of my army too. Oh no, the mirror is red. See you in the afterlife. Wahaha. Why is he so big though? Yo, what are we gonna do? What is going on? Oh my god. I don't think those cops are friendly. Yep. They're not friendly. Yes. What exit this place. Skeleton slide! Look, there's Ben, sir. We have to see if we can get up anytime soon. Yeah. Why isn't that saying anything? Look guys, we found an open bin. I'm sorry. Oh, so that's bird. We need to get out of here. Wait. Wait, where's Danny? Oh, so that's why he wasn't moving. You need to keep going without me. Oh no, this guy is hurting the head. Yep, man, I wish this didn't happen in real life. Let's first thing it. I found it! How do we escape? Oh, I think I found it. It looks like I'm late to the party. What? Who even are you? Huh? I'm Poncho, ex-general of the Royal Laxia States Army. I heard from you in the news. I'm not supposed to be dead. I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years, since the world depended on me. I had to think of it. You're the only one who's left. I have to find Skrull. Not the bad energy. We need to do this for our dad. Yep. Right. It is time to be a hero then. Follow me. Let's go. Follow General.
Where's the spray?
Let's go. Oh, sorry, that was my sister. Why is he so slow though? Why is it red? That way. That's a bad idea. Oh wait. Who is that? Who is that? This guy might be unaffected. Wait, why does he seem familiar? Familiar about what? Oh, no. Hello, General. Remember me? He's almost infected. No, wait. We're supposed to be dead. Sorry. I guess he was supposed to be dead. But here we are. Oh no, he almost got infected. When my dark side attacked me. He got shot in the face. Then me and my first become weak. Oh no. The only way I can make me free is like solo talks. I still don't trust you. You could be lying to us. What if he's telling the truth? You're not going to be part of this mission. Oh no. But I'm still going to do it, General. Who's coming with me? There's no way my team's going to do. Why don't you trust him? Who do you want to follow? Yeah, I think we can go.
Hey, cover your... alis ka muna dyan.
Eh! You choose the one. Yeah, exactly. We are saving the world. Oops! my mom had to do that. Here's our baggage. This is the place where that evil energy comes from. What is that noise? Oh no! Oh no, they found us! Quick, we go inside the cave. We need to loosen him. Oh no, I'm not liking this. Whee! Help me! Okay, I need to turn off the sound already. Oh boy, I don't like where this is going. View the safe area. What is this place? It's like an evil out there. Yep, I know, right? Some must have summoned the skeletons. Yeah. This glowing crane looks like an offering. Yep, it does to me. Whee! Good big old god there. No! What is this place? Look up there. You were right, General. Oh no, Ronald! Oh my. Pilot Kaylee? I thought she was dead. Yep, she isn't. They're actually immortal. Oh no! And that guy. What's happening to them? Imagine this was a movie in real life. Quickly, we have to get them out. But we can get out. But we can get up there. Oh no. I'm not gonna love this. How do you turn up the volume? That is not. Why do you think I go after flames? So much almond juice. It's the easiest way to get souls together. They get scared for their life. I just used Ronald because I did not have no. I can breathe that. When I get ready to be harvested too. Oh no, I'm gonna die! Yep, I died.